It's Ryan again, and welcome to Creating a Project. In JIRA, a project is a collection of issues. Each project sits on and is managed using a board. When we create new projects in JIRA software, we create new boards as well. In this tutorial, we'll quickly create a new project and by extension, a new board. Let's do it. We're on the JIRA main page now, where new projects are created. Note that JIRA administrators typically handle these tasks. Here I'm walking you through the steps just to make you aware of exactly what happens. Click the project link on the top bar and select Create Project. Then decide what type of project your team requires. You'll have several choices. Here I'll choose Scrum Software Development, but there are others like Basic Software Development and Project Management. Click Next to see a brief overview of the project you chose. To confirm that project, click Select. Next, give your project a name. Once you do, the system will automatically assign that project a key. It will appear as a prefix on all issues for the project going forward. Let's take a moment away from creating a new project to discuss project keys. A project key is an important piece of identification used to track what issues belong to which projects. Issues assigned to a particular project have a specific key. You can use that project key to quickly locate issues when you need them using the search bar. You can change the project key by typing in a new key during the initial setup. Be sure this new key will work long term. It's not a trivial task to change it later. Now let's get back to creating a new project. At this point, you're asked to identify the project lead. The project lead is typically the project's primary manager. This person will be the default assignee for all new work items, what we call issues, created for this board. Note that there is only one project lead. Finish creating the new project by clicking Submit. Now the new project and board are ready for new issues.
Take some time to apply what you've learned in your own project.